In this video, I'll show you how to reset your airbag light on your Nissan Altima. It could be a blinking airbag light, or maybe it just stays on and you don't know what to do. So let's get started. Step number one, you're going to turn the key or the stop-start button from the lock position to the on position. Step number two, you're going to watch the airbag light on your dash, and it will stay on just for a few seconds. As soon as it turns off on your dash, go and put the key in the lock position. Wait 5 seconds. Now we'll have to do this 3 exact steps 2 more times, okay? So for step number 4, again, turn the key from the lock position to the on position and watch the airbag light on your dash. When the airbag light disappears because it starts blinking, well, then turn your key to the lock position. Then again, wait 5 seconds. And let's do this one more time. So turn the key from the lock position to the on position, and as soon as the airbag light disappears from the dash, turn to the lock position and wait another 5 seconds. Step number 10, okay? Turn the key to the on position and watch the airbag light in the dash. You're gonna see the light starts blinking slow and not as usual. You just need to wait 30 seconds like this. Don't touch anything. Don't change anything for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, turn the key to the lock position or off position and wait 5 seconds. Finally, step number 12, turn the key to the on position, and after 7 seconds, okay, the airbag light should disappear, and this is it. You have resetted your airbag light. It should not come back. Now, what if this doesn't work and you still have the light on your dash? Well, I suggest you redo every step I just talked about. Sometimes it takes multiple times, and since timing is very important, maybe the second or third time you'll be able to achieve this. Now, another thing you can check is the seatbelt connectors. Sometimes if they're loose or unplugged, you're going to get that light in the dash. And if you still have the airbag lights in your dash, well, I suggest you go to the dealership or at least a mechanic you trust, because they'll be able to scan and see if there's any codes, and maybe there's a part that needs to be replaced so your vehicle is safe. Thanks for watching. If this worked, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.